Lesson 4. Learning Paint 3D. You know about the Paint program in Windows. It is used to make drawings on a computer. Let us learn about this program. Paint 3D. Microsoft Office consists of a simple paint program. You have already worked and created beautiful drawings on it. In the latest update to Windows 10, a new version of Paint, called Paint 3D, has been included. Paint 3D allows you to create and edit 3D images. Opening Paint 3D. To open Paint 3D, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Start button to open Start menu. Step 2. Type Paint 3D in search box. Step 3. Click on Paint 3D. Paint 3D window opens. Step 4. To create a new drawing, select the New option. Components of Paint 3D window. The main components of the Paint 3D window are listed below. Title bar. The top of Paint 3D window is title bar. It displays the name of your drawing title on the top left corner. On the top right corner, there are 3 buttons: I minimize, maximize and close button. Menu. It displays options such as New, Open, Insert, Save and Save As. Canvas. It is the empty white part where you can create or draw your shape, or you can say it is the drawing area of Paint 3D. Brushes tool. It opens a panel on the right side of the drawing area and displays brush options and color palette. Brush option. It displays 10 different brush options in the panel on the right side. It also displays 2 sliders for the thickness and opacity. You can adjust the thickness and opacity of the type of brush you select by entering a value in the value box or by using the slider provided next to their name. Color palette. It displays the color options to add more color and effects like matte, gloss, etc. 2D Shapes tool. It replaces brushes option and displays a 2D shapes library with options like line and curve and 2D shapes to select from. 3D Shapes tool. It replaces the brushes options and displays options like Open 3D Library, 3D Doodle, 3D Objects and 3D Models to select. It also shows drop-down arrow with option to choose a material which is set as custom by default. Names toggle tool. It is on the right side of the toolbar. This tool has an option for hiding showing the tool names. Options tool. It displays options such as Select, Crop, Magic Select, Mixed Reality, 3D View, and Zoom slider. How to create 2D shapes. Creating 2D shapes in Paint 3D is similar to the previous Paint program. To create a 2D shape, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the 2D shapes in toolbar. Step 2. In the 2D shape, select line or curve you want to draw. Step 3. Drag the pointer in the canvas to draw the shape. The desired shape will be drawn in the drawing area as shown below. Step 4. Click on Commit button. You can change the color, background, texture of the shape and thickness of line. Also, you can rotate and flip the shape. When you draw a shape in the drawing area, a dotted boundary around the shape is seen, which are called grab points. These are 3 tools. Rotate is used to rotate the shape. Stamp, also called as clone tool, creates a copy of the shape. Commit, which is displayed as check mark, is for completing the shape. How to create 3D shapes. To create 3D shapes, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the 3D Shapes tool in the toolbar. Step 2. click on the shape you want to draw in 3D Objects option. Step 3. Click and drag the pointer to the canvas to draw the shape. Step 4. You see a 2D shape drawn with 4 handles around the shape. Rotate the shape using the rotation handles to see the 3D effect. A cube will be drawn. How to select a shape? Just click on the shape to select it. The panel changes and displays tool options to edit the shapes drawn. Click and drag the mouse over the shapes to select. You can then rotate all the shapes together by moving the rotation handles. Tech fact: 2D shapes are drawn on a flat surface, so it only displays only 2 dimensions, i.e. length and breadth. But when we draw a 3D shape, we can rotate it all around to see what is at the other end of the shape. 3D stands for 3 dimensions, i.e. length, breadth and height. How to change color in a shape? When you draw a shape in Paint 3D, by default it will be blue in color. But you can change the color of any shape. To change the color, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the shape whose color you want to change. Step 2. Click on Edit Color option on the 3D Shapes option panel. A color palette appears. Step 3. Select the color of your choice. You can also add more colors by clicking on the Add Color button. How to add text? Text tool is used to add text in the drawing areas. It provides options for 3D text, font, size, color, style, and alignment. Adding 2D text. To add 2D text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Text tool on toolbar. Step 2. Click 2D text option. Step 3. Choose the font style, color, size and alignment you want for your text. Step 4. Click on the area where you want to type. A text box appears. Type the text. The typed text will appear. Adding 3D text. To add 3D text to your drawing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text tool. Step 2. Click on the 3D text option in the Changed panel. Step 3. Choose your preferred font, font size, color, style and alignment. Step 4. Click on the drawing area. A text box appears. Type the text. After completing the text, click anywhere outside the text box. This will open the selection tools where you can rotate the text using rotation handles and change the color of the text using the Edit Color button, just like you followed for the 2D shapes. How to save a drawing? To save your drawing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Menu. Step 2. Click on Save option in the left pane. Step 3. In the right pane, click on Paint 3D Project button under Save option. Step 4. The Name Your Project dialog box opens. Type a name in the name box. Step 5. Click on Save in Paint 3D button. Your project is saved. Tech fact: you can also click on Select All button to select all the 3D objects.